Hi YouTube viewers, welcome back to my next video. In this video we are going to see about the deleting of an item of order which we have ordered. We will see how to delete it and all. So in this video, so without wasting time, let us start coding. So here you go with the delete I room. Just I'm copying this, the same thing, and here you go with the value instead. With an error we'll get, it's like not room, it's like order. Okay, so here we'll need to have two things: the order ID and the user ID. That's it. Room ID is replaced with the order ID here also. And next thing, we'll check whether this order ID is present in our orders or not, or for that user. If it is present, then we'll get order check. So if order check number of rows we have, then we need to get of this order check order details, because only we'll update the status to 1. So that's the reason we'll check the order details. So order details status is like 1, then we will reset the value to 0 for this user ID, and the order, for that order ID we'll update it to the order. Your order details has been removed, done successfully. So otherwise we'll get an error. Otherwise what we'll do, we'll enable it, the order. So automatic, this is the toggle case which we were regularly doing from previous videos also. So order ID of the order toggle case, and this we are updating the room update. Here is not the room update, just we are updating the order update. That's the reason we need to update. Here you go with the order update as well. This the order detail, order room, not order details, has restored successfully. Right, for this the order update has been updated successfully, order details. And if it is an invalid data, then the invalid, then all fields are mandatory. The simple thing here we got, and this is what about all about the delete your order. So time for testing. So URL is the same thing, delete order, and here you go with the API. So in this video I want to add few more orders. Okay, so I want to add few more orders so that at the time of billing and also viewing, it will be very easy for you to check. So that's the reason in this video just I am adding the orders also. Add orders. So where we need to have the user ID and the room ID and the order with curry. Let us give it chicken curry. We can give it chicken curry. Okay, we chicken curry we can have in 130. Order quantity is like 2 rotis we have ordered, and here you go with the one order quantity. I don't understand why I am getting it 30. Okay, 130 order ID. Order ID is not required actually for this to add the orders, only the name for which user and for which room we are adding it. That will be more than enough and sufficient. If we go through the database, then through the API, then we can understand in my previous video. So it should not take much time. Order has been added. That's great. Now this delete kind of thing, we need to do it. So here I copy it. Here I change my URL. The order ID is 1. I need to delete it. These details are not required. The user ID is required. Room ID is also not required here. Just these two details are required. Then let us check. We are what we are expecting. We are expecting that order details has been removed. We are expecting the same thing. And one more time we will check it out. Then we need to get, please enter all mandatory fields. So user ID and order ID. What went wrong? User ID, order ID. Oh, here it's room only, order ID. Now let us check. So invalid data received. So that's great. For user 2, user ID 2, let us see whether what is the order we have. User ID 2 and room number should be, order ID should be 1. Then only we can delete it, right? User ID and order ID 2 and 1, 2 and 1. That's the cool part. Invalid input, why we have received, let us check. So user ID and okay, not room ID, it's order ID. So here little bit small modification. When we do a copy paste of thing, these errors we can able to check it. We will get it. So your order has been removed. That's great, and we are expecting here to be the status 0. Yeah, and again if I click it out, means I want to enable it, then your order details has restored successfully. So you can able to see the status has been changed to 1. So this is what about complete of deleting an order and retrieving an order. It's delete and retrieve of an order details. Thank you for watching this video. In our next video we will see the view of, we will get a view of all of our orders which we have ordered. So that will be done. Okay, thank you for watching this video. For stay tuned to my channel, please subscribe my videos. If you like this video, please give a like. Thank you.